Welcome to our channel Chandra Awesome. After a very long break we have met again with new starting video of simple 3D model design in our Onshape CAD software. Let's design a simple Apple CAD model. Select the plane and select Spline tool from the toolbar. Try to draw half of the apple shape as I'm drawing. Once you've drawn the line, you can adjust the shape using the points. Now draw the middle line to use it as axis. The sketch design is done. Now, select Revolve tool and select the closed section of the sketch and axis line. Here we got the apple shape. Save the changes. Let's edit the shape a bit, to make it a bit realistic. Now, let's draw the stem. Select the plane. Select spline. Draw the stem shape as you like. Once the drawing is done, save the changes. Now, I'm using custom tools called wiring to draw the stem shape easily. You can also find this custom tool for free in Onshape Custom Tools. If you want to know about this custom tools, I have already made a dedicated video about it. You can find the video link in the description. Now, let's change the color of the apple to red. Right-click on the part to see the menu. Select Edit Part Appearance. Choose red. You can try the below color ranges. Or, you can use Mixer Color Panel to set the most realistic color. Save the changes. Also add color to the stem as well. Our red apple model is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial video on this simple design. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, Chandra Awesome. From now onwards, our channel will get latest videos on designing using latest technology even with AI tools as well. See you soon with next video.